Welcome once again. Let's talk about Shiba Inu realistic long time prediction. Okay, 0.01 1 cent. Shiba Inu long time price prediction, which is 1 cent. Shiba Inu currently is trading with about 5 zeros. Now I believe the little 1 0 is something that will happen very soon. We just need about 1,000% for Shiba Inu to delete 1 0. Okay, now yes, 1 cent is very possible with Shiba Inu. The only thing holding Shiba Inu is the amount of supply and circulating supply they have. Now they are bringing in different ways to introduce this supply and circulating supply. So there is a possibility. In fact, the truth is 1 cent is very much possible in the nearest future. I like to use that word future because most people, when you start talking about a particular coin, mentioning that the coin will reach the amount, it looks to them as if you are talking about in the next 6 months, in the next 1 month, in the next 1 year. No, the future for me is we are talking about in the next 5 years, in the next 10 years. These are the future. Okay, all you need is patience. Yes, Shiba Inu to 1 cent is possible between the next 5 years from now is in the year 2028, or we talk about in the year 2033 or in the year 2032. Okay, if you can hold on to your Shiba Inu coins till that year, and the crypto industry is growing, Shiba Inu is also increasing, you might be surprised to see how much you must have earned with your cryptocurrency, especially Shiba Inu. Don't be surprised to see the second pump or third pump for Shiba Inu rise. Now, that is why I believe that there is a realistic that Shiba Inu can hit 0.01 in the future. Like I said, in the future, because it will be difficult except they burn out what they have. So in the future for Shiba Inu is looking good, according to so many crypto experts, according to so many crypto predictions. The future for Shiba Inu is looking good, but I still believe many people have been talking about $1, $10. I don't think this is going to be possible for now. Even if you're talking in the future, I don't think it's going to be possible in the next 5 years. But anything can still happen, because how will they delete or burn out the supply they have? If you can achieve this, then definitely we'll be talking about different things entirely. But I still believe that the future of Shiba Inu is good. If the future of Bitcoin is good, Bitcoin controls other coins. As Bitcoin is rising, so many coins are rising. Shiba Inu is rising. So definitely, if the future of BTC is rising, Bitcoin will be rising and hitting higher, then Shiba Inu definitely will be doing the same. Okay, so please remember that this is not a financial advice. And if you want to buy some coins, please invest what you can afford to lose. Shiba Inu still remains one of the best coins you need to hold on, or even buy some few coins right now, because Shiba Inu have already dropped. So imagine buying some few coins now and Shiba Inu rises about 1,000%. Definitely you are already making some profit for yourself. So remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.